am about to do my third piece in the 3-part series of the teal, purple, and white. This is Master's Touch Rouge. The Master's Touch White. And I mixed that with some clear Elmer's glue, a little bit of water because the paint is so thick, and some Floetrol. This is the light color teal. I think it's Key West. Yeah, Key West from Apple Barrel. And I only mixed that with glue and Floetrol, no water. And because the texture is already kind of thin, and this is Peacock in the Waverly, and I got this at Walmart. And I mixed that with just glue and Floetrol. So right now I'm going to do my white first, and I made some extra paint because I'm going to do another painting after this. And not any extra white. Try this with my glove this time. It took forever with the. Somebody said to use a glove was better, and I think they're right. It does go on a little bit smoother. So we're gonna do another swipe to go with a 3-part, and instead of doing the teal in the middle this time, I'm gonna try doing the purple and see if it comes out with more purple, because the other two I did came out so different. Okay. Alright, let's try this. Purple in the middle. I forgot to put Rain-X in. You want to be good masters. And I also add Rain-X in one of my paints. I have silicone, but you can also use Rain-X instead of silicone. They both work pretty real well. I only put a few drops in. Mix that in. I mix that in because I forgot to put it in first. I'm going to go second with my darker Peacock teal. Mix that Rain-X in. I'm going to do a huge line like the purple. I'm going to do it on both sides. Save some of that for my next painting. And I did not put the Rain-X in the white, so only the teal colors. So we'll see how that turns out. I don't want a whole lot of this teal. Oh, that's okay. And you can hear Bella in the background playing with Daddy. Oh, they're there. Okie dokie. So here we go. You want to get that on your middle color. Just make sure that it's all down. Try to get over. Hard to get it by this wall to do right. Let's see how that comes out. Take my glove off. And I have misplaced my heat gun somewhere. So, goodness gracious. I'm going to turn on the hair dryer on low just to see if I can get some of those bubbles. I'm gonna let this sit. You can already see all the cells starting to pop up here and here and here, but they'll get bigger as the time goes by and it sits for a little while. But I'm pretty happy with it. It's gonna look more purple than the other two that I have, so it'll go from a darker color to a lighter. And I will post a picture of it after it dries in a couple days. Thank you. Have a good one.